There was a research study done by scientists at the Zhejiang University of Medicine in China, and they conducted what's called a meta-analysis. This is a major one because it looked at 13 different clinical studies of diet and Alzheimer's disease and involved 21,000 people. And the researchers asked one simple question: how does the type of fat you eat influence the risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia and overall brain health? One of the results, they found the people who ate the highest levels of saturated fat had a 39% increased risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. And this is important because you should ask, where do we get saturated fat in our diet? And there's a whole movement now looking at the carnivore diet. But the carnivore diet, mostly red meats, actually is loaded with saturated fat. So what are some other sources? Processed meats too. We're talking about the stuff in the deli, the salami, the bologna, the pepperoni. They also have saturated fat. Ultra processed foods, fried foods, and dairy.